Take two of the new family bathroom. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and you'll see why in a sec. Nice mock deco sink there. Pardon you, Mr. Sink, as well. Still got the original window. Yeah, you guessed it. It's time for the Ambience to face the 20 squares. It's got a powerful but short flush, so it will be interesting. Yeah. Oh, Star did not comment on the original video, if I remember rightly, and I think he'd like this toilet. So, will the Ambient brace the 20 square challenge? Yeah, it's a pass, alright. It might be a short flush, but not too short to down 20 squares. I'll have to try 40 on the next video. That'll be very interesting. And the Ashton needs 60 flushing down that, and the Optima needs its 40 as well. So stay tuned and don't switch off by all means, because those exciting videos will be coming later in the year, viewers. Yeah, sadly a very slow refill on this cistern. And if you're wondering, the Trent pan is over at the yard. Sorry, it's got alpines growing out of it. Pull. It says pull, not swing, but I'm going to swing anyway. Anyway. Yes, thanks to Bangin, Jack Davis's Bangin, who clarified that this was a Balterly ambience. Sorry. Anyway, the refill is just really dragging on, so I will end the video in a sec. Ready for video. Yeah. It's a modern toilet, but it's a good one. Much better than your average eco bullshit, that's for sure. If you do have to renovate your bathroom, have to, and yeah, get one of these. You won't be unclogging it, that's for sure. Yeah.